everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn how to create the website. So without any further delay, let's begin with it. So here what I did, I just wrote the title and here I just erase all these things. Okay, let it be. So here first you have to define the heading tag. You can write Act 1 here. I've just wrote a simple thing that each and every beginner should know. I just wrote that. Okay, paragraph, font face, like I want Broadway, therefore I wrote Broadway. You can write whatever name you want over there. Let's say I want this Castellar. I'll just copy paste. I don't want to write it all. Yeah. Now you can choose the color which you want according to your preference, and you can write the thing which should be colored or which should be getting that font. And yeah, and you just have to save it. So look here, I saved this. I'll go to my HTML thing. Now here you can see the changes. You may observe the changes. So yeah, it was all about. And here this is what we are going to learn. How to create a website and make a web page. Go to your Visual Studio Code app, application. Now the very second thing that you have to do is navigation. Navigation tag is a tag which is basically used, whenever you open any website or anything. So you get these types of things, like here I am having what? Edit, selection, view, go, run, terminal, help. So these are some navigation things which are used to navigate, which are used to locate some specific things. So like that only navigation tag is used. Now here we will write the thing like home. Home, you must have seen in any website there is in home, contact us, about us, then they give us the information about their app or whatever it is. So in that way only we are using this navigation. So I'll write navigation and then enter. Press enter. And also very important thing, before this you will just click on enter. You will write AHREF. Now AHREF is a tag which is used to paste the link. Like if you want to paste anything at the time, it will show in blue color and we will move to another web page. So right now we don't have anything, so we will keep it null, but we have to enter our value, so therefore I'll just write A over there. Okay, and nothing else. A, and I'll close this and I'll write home. Home. Okay. Now the second thing which you want to do, same with this, same thing you have to copy and paste, paste, paste. So I want 4 things total. So first was home, second I want schedule. Actually I want this in caps. Okay. Then you can write notes. As I'm posting some education content, so I need to write notes. And at last I will just write about me. Okay. About me. So yeah, it was all about the text. Now if you want to check how does it look and what's the matter, then you can click on if you're having the extension, then you can go live. But let me check what happens. Okay. So I don't have workspace, so I'll just see in browser. Okay, so here you can see home, schedule, notes and about me. So they have appeared in bold. Okay. Alright, we were like wishing the hope was this only. Okay. Now the second thing is, now we are in with the first title wala thing. Second, we can write anything, whatever you want. like any content, the content you want. We're not going to use any specific tag at all. Now here again I want some different type of font, so I'll just copy the previous one. And simply paste it, nothing else. I don't want this bold, so I'll erase it. And this also. Oops, sorry. Of course, it will take us a lot of time because we're doing it first time. H2. H2 is the heading tag, which is the second second last largest one. And here, paste that. Alright. Now you can choose the font wherever you want. Okay. I want this font, I want this color, and the thing I want to write is. So you can write about your content. Like this is my official website. Here are, this is my official website. Here I'm going to this is my official list where I'm going to give you some updates. Okay. Alright, like it shifted towards that side, but it's okay. And then break. No, not break. And here also you can write some points, so I'll write it. Some ethics that you should follow. Oh, sorry. So here I wrote one thing. Some ethics that you must follow are as follows. And here, what you can do, you can write these as follows in ordered list. You might have learned ordered list. So it is like something OL. OL means ordered list. OL type. Now type means what type of thing you want in order. Let's say if you want ABCD, you want Roman numericals as 1, 2, 3, 4, or the simple one 1, 2, 3, 4. What type you want exactly? So you can write. So here are some options given. I want, let's say, these things. Okay. I will again close this and enter. Then here I need to write list. List tag as a tag which gives you list something. Now the thing which I want is work hard, then again list, I'll go it fast, work hard, dream big enough. So I think I shouldn't use ordered list, I should use unordered list for that, because unordered list would be convenient, because this is something in point where we are telling steps, but here these are not steps, right? So in an ordered list, the things we want, like circle. Okay, now let's see how this works. We may open this. Alright. So here, this is my official channel. Here I will give some updates. So I think that you must follow in your life. So here you can see how these things have developed and structurized in a perfect manner. Okay. Now here, what you can see, it looks quite dull and all. So here I will draw an horizontal line. Okay. Now let's not check again and again. We will first write everything and then see how we can do, then we can definitely do it. So now now you can paste the location of your image. Here I downloaded my logo. I'll just copy and paste the link. So here I just pasted it and I'll check whether it's working or not. Because sometimes it doesn't. Okay, so here it is showing this type of thing that this is image. I understood what's the fault. But the fault was this thing. Not JPG. I don't remember .jpg or we have to add slash there. Let's check. Okay, it was .jpg only, and here I will show you how does it look. So it is like coming extremely bigger in size, so I will minimize it definitely because it's too big, right? So what you can do, you can write here width equal to whatever the percentage you want, like with percents I will write 100%. Oh, too small. We need to decide a number. Let's see. 300. Okay. So 300 is perfect. Now what I do, it's taking me a lot of time to move to different things, different pages and all. So I will just keep like this, so that I will be like able to do it easily. So here, what we did, I'll just hide this. Yeah. So we pasted image, we are successfully done with it. Now very last thing that I will just tell, okay, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay. So now to write do not forget to subscribe my channel, I will just copy the same thing. Copy and paste. Here I'll be using apricots. Apricots is a type of font if you're aware about it. And I will write, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, now I'm done with it. Now let's check the result. Yeah, so it is coming. Do not do not forget to subscribe my channel. And the font color that I want is, what font I want? I want let's see, red color. Okay, so this is how it is looking. So here you can see. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. So this is the font. Now, okay, so do not forget to subscribe my channel. So this is what I wrote. Now here, I'm like not almost, but here I think sorry, but here I think like almost we're done with the first page, like in a very simple manner. Further we will learn how to develop it. So this is a very simple manner. Second thing that you have to do is, you know, when you click on home, you won't see the result. You will say, okay, it's not showing anything. Then click on shadow, it's not showing anything. So now we are going to learn how to link another web pages to these texts, like to this hypertext. And when we will click here, we will move to another page. Okay. Now for that we need to write code, of course. So to write code, what I'll do, I'll just open, click on edit, sorry, not edit, this file, click on new text file, and here the new text file will be appeared, like it will appear in front of you. Here you can write HTML thing, click on it, and here the stock type would be in front of you. Now here I want to give some information about home. So I will name the tag as home tag in caps. Of course it will take a lot of time because we are going to link all the web pages and all. So here this is the home page. Now here in home page again we need to write some content. So what we can write? Think. So think. Okay. Here I was having one previous thing. I will just copy some font and all from this only. Copy this. Send it. Yeah, I copied it. Now move to your. Where was it? Where it is? Huh? Here. I will just paste it down as it is. And here I will write some information that in H2, H3, H3. So the what I'm gonna write here. Here I'm going to write this is basically or this basic. This is basically an ordinary mathematics channel here, and then this is basically an ordinary mathematics channel where I often where I often post some educational content. Now, what content do I put? So I will write it in order list when type equals to. Now what type? A. Small. Now list. Now first, what type of content do I post? So I post educational. First educational content. Then okay, so these are some things that I post on my YouTube channel, like education, motivation, plan. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just paste some of the links of my YouTube videos. Now for that, I need to use embedded tag. Now embedded tag is a tag. It is a tag in which we can paste any other website or any other video which is not in our thing. Okay, so here I opened my YouTube channel. Okay, and whichever video I like, for example any of my video, let's say this one, I will just click on share and here embed and copy it. I copied and simply paste. It's too big, I know, but it's worth it. Okay, it's worth it because it is extremely beneficial for us. Now see the tie width is extremely big, so I'll just minimize a bit and keep it 400. Okay. Now next thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste some other video link. Same process, and this is the last one. So here, oops, sorry. So here I little pasted several links of my YouTube channel, like of my YouTube videos. Now let's check the output. Now for that you need to save it without any just for home page. So I'll write home there, and I'll of course save it in my desktop itself. Okay, save. Open it. Open it. Open it. Look, 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 look. Look at the output. This is basically an ordinary and number YouTube channel where I often post some individual content. Now here you can see these things. Now they are not arranged in the proper manner that I personally want. So what I can do is, after these two things, I will add break. I'll show you. After these two things at the last, I'm not able to capture in the camera. Yeah. After these two, I will add break. Oh. Stuff. There's a lot of stuff here. Decrease the length. Okay. So done with it. Now here you can see the size as well. So it is 560. Here I will make it 460 and this 250. Now let's see how does it looks. Oh, okay. Now let's do it in that way. So I'll do it. Okay, so here I have arranged them in a proper order. And after these 3 on one frame, 3 on another frame, so I will just break. You know, break tag is used to give break within the things. Alright, so this is how I exactly want, and successfully done it. Now I want to link this page in this so that when I click home, they will open this particular thing. So what I can do is very easy step. Okay, just look at this first and then you will be able to attach all the pages easily. So here I will do something. I'll write H1. And the font which is there, I don't think it is good, so I'll change it. Here I'm gonna use the elephant tag. Paste it. Save it. Go to this. Okay, so here you can see it. Okay, H1 is too big. I'll make it H2. And I inserted a lot of breaks, so I'll cancel this one. There are several breaks I see. now once. Okay guys, so I am totally satisfied with this home page, and here these things are at the left side of the corner, like left side of the web page. So I want them in the center. So what I can do is I can just use a line tag. A line tag is a tag which is used to align the text or anything in center. Align, middle, align middle. Erase this. Align, copy this, and simply paste here. Let me check how's the output. Let me check how's the output. No, 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 no. Wait a minute. Alright, guys, I got the mistake. We'll learn by making mistakes only. So, what we did is we shouldn't write here middle. Where is it now? Where it went? Align, huh? In HTML, basically we write center. Actually, I mixed the HTML and Python. Center. Now again, I'm confused between the spelling of center because there are two spellings. And here, I'll just close this. And align. Erase. Hopefully, now we will get the result. Hopefully. Okay. Or from there it's possible. Okay. Now let's check. Let's check. No, bro. What's the matter? Okay, now so I got the issue. So see, here you have to write text align. Here is not understanding what it have to align. It has to align the features and all. So what? So you have to write align. And here also you can write text align equals to center in front of OL tag, because the alphabets are coming at extreme corner. And here you can just copy the last one and paste here. Okay, now let's check. Oh yeah, this A, B, C, D are not coming again. I really don't know the problem. Okay, then we will write OL align. OL align. OL align. It really needs a lot of time. And since then, I'm doing this. Okay, guys, let it be. Let it be as it is. We don't care. Okay. Now, here is like here this web HTML web page is there. What we can do? I have saved it. Yeah, I have saved it. I'll open this page. Now, very important step. I'll open this page. I'll copy the URL. Copy. And then again, I'll go to Visual Code. Here I have created that the first one. You remember? Yeah, here I wrote A. So instead of A, you can paste that link. Getting my point? You have to paste that link, and very important thing, when you will paste it, give some space and click on target equals to. Target equal to. Just a minute. Okay, now why are we using this target? First, what you do, write this HTML and all, erase this. You erased it. Okay. Now here, you have to write target, because when we are clicking on the link, it is opening in that tab only. But we don't want that tag. So here favorite target blank, and so it will open in the another thing. Like another thing is another tab. Okay. Now let's check. Let's check means let's save it. Now is so important thing. It should definitely work. Here I am in the main website. Like this is a website I opened. Okay, I found that Bhakti Sharke home schedule knows about me. This is also official channel. Then this is the logo and all. Okay, home. I'll click on home. It is showing like this. No, it shouldn't show like this. It should this page. It should show this page. So what we can do? Okay. So what I told is you have to first copy the path. You can copy the path in that URL also, and you can just go to home, click on that tab, click on copy the path. Here Shift plus Alt plus copy means C. Shift plus Alt plus C. And when you will click there, you just have to come over this thing. You can paste the URL. You can write target equals to blank within it and home. Okay, now just save it. Just save it. Just ignore the failures which we face, because failures are steps towards success. Okay, now go to your HTML. Means what is this exactly? From where did I got this page? So for example, if I cut everything, okay, I'll cut everything for you if you're confused. What I did, I already saved several files in my desktop. So here I was having one Chrome browser named home, one named website, and here I linked this home with website. I merged them both. Now I'll click on website, and when I click here, I'll get this thing in front of me: home, schedule, notes, about me, and then I'll get this page also. Let me, yeah. So this is how it will appear. I have just minimized it because the screen recording is short. I won't be able to, okay, this much. So I'm getting this main things in front of me. I'll click on home. When I click on home, it like if I click on schedule, it is not showing anything. Why? Because I haven't assigned anything to it. But when I will click on home, it should show something. But when I click on home, it should show something. So I'll click on home and look in another tab. Because of the target, in another tab, it is showing us these many links. Now what is this link? This is basically an ordinary channel where I often post some educational content. Here I am getting like what type of content: educational, motivational, facts. So here are some of the videos, of that particular channel. But if I click on schedule, I'm not getting anything. Why? Because I haven't linked any web page over there, right? If I click here, I'm getting into another tab, not in the same tab. But here, if I click, I'm getting into same tab, but nothing is there. So this is the use of target ad. Okay? So this is all we learned in this particular video. Hope it would be helpful for you. You must have loved what I've shared. Like love means you must have understood all. Okay, right. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoy it all and all. Thank you so much, and meet you next time.